How to get wider curvy hips. The hourglass figure is something most ladies dream of, and would do anything to get. Curvaceous figure with bigger hips is a strong symbol of feminine beauty, and a preference of most men. 1. The diet. You can't make your body good looking unless you keep a check on what you are eating. Eat regularly. Fish, poultry, chicken and turkey. Lean red meat. Whey. Beans/legumes. Eggs. Let's check hip enhancing exercises. 1. Squats. Besides increasing hip size, squats are also efficient in toning up your thigh muscles. Squats are reputable for being the best exercise for wider hips. They target your inner and outer hips, promoting muscle growth in those areas. 2. The dumbbell squats. This involves standing with your feet slightly wider than your shoulder width, while holding the dumbbells down at your sides, with your palms facing in. Then lower yourself down by bending your knees, and stop when your thighs are parallel to the floor. 3. Side lunge. Staying low, take a slow, lateral step to the right. Keep your toes pointed forward and stay low. Extend the left knee, driving your weight to the right, flexing the knee and hip into a side lunge. Maintain good posture through the entire spine, keeping your head and chest up.